and welcome to Get, Set, Grow. We're at the community allotments at RHS Garden Wisley. I'm Bhupinder, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare the soil for planting, how to plant strawberries and how to chip potatoes. So today the tools that we need is a soil rake, a garden fork, a hoe, a trowel and an egg box. And the plants that we need are strawberry plants and seed potatoes. This is the plot that we're going to be working with. As you can see, we've divided it up into 4 squares. In this first square, we'll be planting brassicas, which would include cabbages, broccoli and kale. In the second square, we'll have legumes, peas and beans. In our third square, we would be planting alliums. This would include onions, garlics, and our root vegetables, carrots and beetroot. And in our final square, we have salads, potatoes, strawberries, and everything else. The first thing that you need to do is to prepare the soil. Start off by first hoeing the weeds. Gently run the hoe over the surface of the soil. If any area has been trodden on or compacted, you can use a fork to loosen the soil. Use your foot to push the fork into the soil. Pull back gently until the soil lifts up. Gently pull the fork out of the soil and then twist and loosen the soil. Then use the soil rake to roughly level the soil. And use the back of the rake to settle the soil. The last thing is to rake the soil so that it's all level. We're going to plant our first crop into the plot, and these are strawberries, which can be planted any time from now until the end of April. To plant these, push the trowel into the soil and ease it towards you. Get your plant, hold the plant carefully, turn the pot upside down and place the plant into the hole gently. Backfill the soil, firming the soil around the plant. Gently tickle the soil around it. A sprinkle of water to settle them in, and then we're well on our way to having some delicious summer fruits. We're in our unheated greenhouse and we're going to show you how to chip potatoes. Now is the perfect time to buy your seed potatoes. On your seed potato there will be one end which has the eyes. It goes eyes upward into the egg box. Some of them will have short sprouts, really doesn't matter, just put them in. If you don't have a greenhouse, don't worry, just put them somewhere where it's bright and cool. And they'll be ready for planting outside when the sprouts are 1 centimetre long. Today we learned how to prepare our soil, plant strawberries and chit our potatoes. Next time, Letty will be showing you how to plant onion and garlic sets, plant our chitted potatoes and sow seeds indoors, along with giving you a guide on crop rotation. A list of everything that you need to follow along and a guide to our plots is available on the RHS website. If you haven't got anywhere to grow, check out our video on how to build a planter. See you soon.